Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to add a professional subscribe button animation to your videos in CapCut. It works on PC, Mac, and even mobile. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to pexels.com. In the search bar, type subscribe button green screen. Choose any animation you like, then download it for free. Now open CapCut and load your video project. Click Import and add the green screen subscribe animation you just downloaded. Drag the animation above your main video on the timeline. Next, select the subscribe animation. On the right side, click Remove BG, then choose Chroma Key. Use the color picker and tap on the green background. CapCut will automatically remove the green screen. If needed, adjust the intensity slider until the edges look clean. Now resize and move the subscribe button wherever you want on the screen. Most creators place it in the bottom left or bottom right corner. Play the video to make sure everything looks smooth. And that's it. That's how you add a professional subscribe button animation in CapCut. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot,